Do you want to make some extra money online in 2019? Well, in this video I have top 7 unusual and weird jobs you can do from home to make extra money online, and the 7th will just blow your mind. It is weird. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will show you top 7 unusual, weird and wacky jobs you can do from home and you can still make some pretty good money with it. So don't be put away by the weirdness sort of, but you know, these are still jobs that you can do from home. You can make some extra money online and they are pretty cool. Despite of the fact that they are a little bit weird, right? So before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also please check out all the links in the description of this video. And the first link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. It will make you the easiest money you'll ever make, okay? And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. 7 unusual jobs that will make some extra money from home in 2019. So let me share my screen for you and let me show you the first site that I wanted to show you. So the site that I found today that I wanted to share with you is flexjobs.com. So this is essentially a site that you can find a variety of different jobs, online, offline, freelance, etc. And I found all of these unusual and weird jobs on this site. So first of all, go to flexjobs.com. As you can see, find a better way to work, the best remote and flexible jobs, a better way to find them. So this is a site that you can sign up for free and start browsing through these jobs. So if you're gonna go to flexjobs.com/jobs, you're gonna get all the categories and everything else. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different categories, including like non-profit and sales and sports and telemarketing and travel, marketing jobs, data entry jobs, bilingual jobs. So a ton of different jobs that you can do from home. And these ones that I found, first of all, they are weird and unusual, but second of all, you can do it remotely. So you can do these from home. So essentially you're making money from home, and this is some extra money you can make, because this can be part-time or this can be full-time, totally up to you, okay? So oh, and by the way, you can find jobs by location, by employer. So just go through the site, see exactly what you can find. And I just wanted to show these weird jobs, okay? So the first one is a travel ambassador, which assists travelers over the phone or in a live chat in a full-time entry-level remote job. So you're working from home, you're just assisting people while they are traveling. So you must have excellent communication skills in English, weekend availability, and online multitasking skills, and also all telecommuting position experience preferred. So as you can see, this says remote work, so 100% remote. You don't have to go physically to any place. You can do this full-time from home, all right? So this is the number 1 unusual job, travel ambassador. The second one I found is this one, digital marketing guru. Just the name is sort of weird, right? So as you can see, it says you're going to develop and launch a marketing plan, hire and lead the marketing team, produce marketing materials for the company website, blog, newsletters, email, and more. You must have 4 years of experience and proven ability to lead. So this is for someone with more experience, but this is again a remote work, so you can do this from home. And just the guru, the name is very, very weird for me. So this is the number 2 that I found. And keep in mind, the last one will really blow your mind, all right? Number 3, technology evangelist. So as a technology evangelist, it's a technology evangelist sought for a telecommute job requiring an IT or related MAMS networking skills, scripting ability, and you will promote products, answer inquiries, resolving issues, and develop social media content. So you are 100% remote on this one as well, okay? Technology evangelist, another weird sort of unusual job title. Next one, JavaScript rockstar. Okay, so obviously you're gonna be a JavaScript developer. This is probably not for most people, but again, just the name sort of weird. So a JavaScript developer is needed for a remote opportunity. She will develop a new user-facing expand upon existing application, must optimize applications, blah blah blah. You know, this is probably not for most people because we don't really know how to code in Java, but just the name JavaScript rockstar is pretty weird. All right, next up we got happiness engineer, even weirder. So happiness engineer sought for a remote job responsible for liaising with and supporting customers, assisting needs, troubleshooting and resolving issues, and making recommendations. So must have some IT knowledge, excellent customer service skills, and again, this is 100% remote. So you can do this from home. Essentially, you are just assisting people and make sure that they are happy with their experience online. So pretty cool. Happiness engineer, another weird, unusual job. All right. So these are the 5 jobs I actually found on Flex Jobs. You can browse through Flex Jobs. You can check it all out. And I'm gonna share my favorite website to find gigs and jobs, Fiverr. If you saw my previous videos, you know that I love Fiverr, and you can find a ton of weird jobs and gigs on it as well. So if you're gonna go to fun and lifestyle category, you got like arts and crafts, relationship advice, health, nutrition and fitness, astrology and reading, spiritual and healing, family and genealogy, gaming, global culture, collectibles, celebrity impersonators, viral videos, your message on a bunch of different things, greeting cards. So let's go to celebrity impersonators. So we got cheeses, we got Mickey Mouse, we got Donald Trump, we got a bunch of different celebrities, Conor McGregor, we got the Disney princess, we got the guy from Back to the Future. So a bunch of different things. You know, if you know how to do it, if you're similar to a celebrity, you can do it. But you know, this is another weird way of people that people making money online. As you can see, Cheeses made delivered 1,000 gigs for $10. So he made at least $10,000 just from this one gig. Cheeses in HD. Pretty weird, right? But still, people are making money online. They treat it as a side hustle. They treat it as an online career. Whatever suits you. But I wanted to show you Fiverr as well, and all of the weird and unusual jobs on here as well. And the last one, as I told you, it will blow your mind. Right? This blew my mind when I saw it. So if you're gonna go to cuddlecomfort.com, you will be able to become a professional cuddler. All right. So there are some people willing to pay you for simply cuddling. All right. So as you can see, it says, get a cuddle buddy today. We'll find you a cuddle buddy so you can start a friendship based on cuddling without any expectations of something more. Pretty weird, right? So people are willing to pay you or anyone else to cuddle, and how much you can make? You can actually make $80 per hour or $400 a night as a professional snuggler or cuddler. Pretty weird, when I read it, it just blew my mind. I've never even knew that something like this exists, and it's out there, let's admit it, right? So these are my top 7 weird and unusual jobs. I think the 7th one is pretty weird, and right now let me show you who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so my previous free training video is this one right here. Make $1,000 per month reading stuff. You can check it out as well. It's a pretty cool video. So let me grab the URL. Let me go to YouTube random comment picker and let's paste it in. Let's filter out the duplicates and let's see. We have 35 comments and we will start the raffle and pick a random winner right now. God, we got BRB. Great job. I hope to win this time. My PayPal is. And we got the PayPal email. So I'm going to send the $10 right now to this winner. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to, all right? Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner. Congratulations again. Please do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and also please check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. Don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording a ton of free videos, everything about making money online, working from home, side hustles, passive income, all that good stuff. Please leave me a comment, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!